If you have come across some live videos by some YouTubers, and based on the positive comments you are seeing in the comment section, and you are planning of carrying out this arbitrage, please stop. I'm here to save life. I'm here to save you from scam. It's actually fake. So I'm going to leak everything here so that you will see it by yourself. I'm going to show you the common thing you don't know when it comes to some arbitrage like this, because there is a very common thing they are using to create their own website and fixing their amount. Once you fall a victim, it's over. You will see them, they will make they will do live video, and you will think it's real. They are the owners of the website, so anything they do, they know what they are doing. So you that is a visitor, you don't even know your whereabout. Once you try it, it's bicon, it's otilo for you. So I'm here to save you guys from this scammed. Okay, so you don't need to skip any part of this video, because I'm going to show you all the proof. If you look at this website, what do you notice? You notice that the amount of ATL in this website is actually very low compared to the one on the main exchange like Binance, even on Trust Wallet and the rest. Ether slash USDT is 0.05522304. The price of Ether or ATL is actually 0.0696, which is, you will think it is a clear arbitrage. Although yes, it's an arbitrage, but from that particular website, it's a scam. Hold on, I'm going to show you another thing. So if you see this kind of opportunity, and based on the live video they make, you think that you are going to make profit, or it's actually real. I'm going to show you what they normally do. First of all, they will ask you to open an account with Trust Wallet. On Trust Wallet, they will ask you to fund your account with a minimum of 100 USDT, and you need to also have at least $2 worth of BNB. And they will ask you to come to this place. We are seeing this something like circles here. You click on it. Once you click on it, they will ask you to enter the name of the coin. So the real name of this coin is automata. So once I type in automata, it's going to appear like this, and you are going to select this one. You are seeing BNB smart chain. We toggle this on. Once you toggle this on, you are going to see it on the home page with other coins. So let's go and check. You can see it here. So what they will do is that once they ask you to fund your Trust Wallet with 100 USDT and a minimum of 2 USD, $2 worth of BNB, and the next thing they are going to show you is they will take you to this website. They will take you to this website. You can see the name of the website is actually atnetwork.network, which is actually fake. We are going to use CoinMarketCap to check the real website name of this coin. Let's type in the coin name, automata, and click on search. This is the coin we are seeing here. So it's loading data, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, you can see the website here. So I'm going to click on the website now to show you what I actually mean. You can see the real domain or the website name is www.ata.network. There's no other network attached to this network. So while on the fake website, you are seeing ata.network.network, which is not ata.network.network. It is actually www.ata.network. Only one network. There's no two network attached to it. What these people do is, once they find a coin that they will actually want to impersonate, they will actually use something like .io, .network, or something different. So if you are not careful, they will scam you with your hard-earned money. So I'm going to show you another proof to show you that this is actually 100% scam. Once you get to this website, you are going to buy ATA/USDT, and the minimum is 100 USDT. If I insert 10 here, let me do as if I'm trying to buy, you will see what I'm telling you. You see the minimum liquidity requirement is 100 USDT. They know that if they do the minimum requirement to be $10, a lot of people can afford $10. They can afford to lose 10 USDT, of which they will just try out, and if not working to them, they will leave. So they are just making it 100 USDT, and they know once they collect this 100 USDT, they are going to at least, if they collect like 10 people 100 USDT, that is 1,000 USDT, which is actually huge. So once you insert 100 USDT, you click on this place and click on here and select USDT BIP20. Once you select it, let me click on buy to show you that they are going to take me to my Trust wallet. This will actually direct you to your Trust wallet. Let me insert my pin. So once you are on Trust wallet, automatically this interface will appear where you will see this address that you're going to send your 100 USDT, your hard-earned 100 USDT to this address. Once you click, if you have up to 100 USDT, once you click on next like this, my brother, your 100 USDT is going to be transferred to this wallet address you are seeing here. And once the USDT is transferred to this address, my brother, you just need to go and find one place and buy chill coke and drink, because you can never get back the 100 USDT. They are not going to give you any coin or anything. So if you come across website like this, you need to do a proper research. Immediately I stumbled on this website, what I did was I come to the website, I click on, I copy the website name, I move to Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a website that if you come across any website that you are doubting, or you want to know if the website is actually real, you need to copy the address of the website or the website name and come and paste it here. You will see a review of some people. What these people do in their comment is that they can actually create multiple YouTube accounts, and once they post a video in their main channel, the person go each channel, it will log into each channel and go and comment on the video so that it will look clean and real. And they have like a group of people that also involved in this scam, that all of them will come and comment, hey, I've tried this out and it's working for me, I've done this, they will say so many things that will confuse you. Back to the main thing here, you paste in, once you copy the website name, you come here and paste it in, or you can actually type it in if you have it upstairs or offhand. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you come down here to check review of people. Mohammed said, I just scammed 100 USDT. I should have checked from Trustpilot. You can see they scammed that 100 USDT. Actually try it out. But this one say it's a scam. After website personating the real website. He says I caught scam 200 con. I watched this YouTube channel called Josh B2B actually. The instruction is clear and comment is really positive. That is what they do. So it make me believe it's true. I send the 200 USDT BIP20 from my Trust wallet and waiting for the ATA token to arrive. Been waiting for hours. I should have checked with Trustpilot first. Be careful guys, don't be the next victim. It actually, this thing is scam. There's no how something is going to work that people will not appreciate it. So you can see another one says, the first time I have been scammed in my life and I was thoroughly scammed. Immediately I comment on the video that it was a scam, the video stopped showing on my account. I had to log in with other email account to see how clean the scam was. All the comments got deleted and the fake ones are still there. Immediately this guy posted in comment section of that video, they deleted the comments. Because I've been going through comments, I have stumbled on a video like that. I've been going through comments and all the comments are positive, which is once a genuine person try it out and the person caught scam, once the person drop a comment and try to reveal their secret, they will just delete that comment immediately. I don't know how they monitor their channel. So they would I don't know if they have a particular setting that they set. Once you drop a negative comment, it just like the comment just get deleted by itself. So I don't know. So all my comments got deleted and the fake ones are still there. These guys are wreaking havoc and YouTube can't bring them down. They should they should send me they should send me 500 USDT back, or I will keep hunting them. My dear, you never get back your money. There are a lot of fake comments here, of which I can't read all of them. This is a fake website full of scam. I have paid the site 100 USD and 100 USD and received no coin. Actually, you can see a lot of comments here. So if you don't want to fall a victim, stay away from this app. Sorry, stay away from this website. In my own opinion, I will encourage you to stay with all these known platforms like Binance, Bitcoin, Bybit, Skate.io, Mexi. They are top exchanges and they can never scam you of your hard-earned money. So what you need to do is, if you find any arbitrage involved around them, you can actually take it. Although I know you are not, arbitrage is not all the time, but what you need to do is just to daily explore the market. Anytime you see opportunity, you take it. That is all. So if you get value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. If you have come across any video like this before, just let me know on the comment section. And if you have tried it out before, just let me know on the comment section how was the outcome. So this way I'm going to stop this video, so at least I have been able to save some people from the stress of thinking that this arbitrage is actually real when it is not. See, anything that is about website that promise to sell USDT to you at a low rate, just leave it, because you don't know the kind of website it is. Go with the one that is very popular. So don't forget to subscribe, because you always get value from this channel time to time.